I'm broadly optimistic about the future of AI because I take an engineering perspective. I don't have problems with the engineering side, but of course, the technology the digital world that we live in is not very well managed, as we know from many problems, and AI is subject to the same problems. But the real issue I feel is the difference between machines and humans, and we don't take enough cognizance of that. And the book brings this difference out.
I think of myself as a techno-realist more than an optimist, and one who studies the future through the mundane decisions made by people in the present. For me, AI represents a category of very specialized technologies designed to perform actions that humans can't do, giving it this sort of powerful ethos. But the issue then is that it's treated by governments and by companies and the public as if it's a belief system and a belief structure and even an ideology that can govern future actions. And so it's subsequently used to justify itself before we think about the implications and the human rights issues. So I'm mostly interested in unpacking the consequences of that kind of techno-futurism.
My book is generally optimistic, but not in the sense that technology can solve all of our problems. The reality is that technology creates new problems even as it solves old ones. Pessimists typically expect competition between humans and machines, but I talk about coevolution, where the humans and the machines evolve together. Whereas pessimists typically expect that humans will lose control of the machines, I argue that we never actually had control of them. This, in fact, could be one of the more provocative arguments in my book. Nevertheless, I believe it's more likely that our relationship with machines will remain synergistic. We will continue to need them. They'll continue to need us. But a word of caution, in a coevolution, all partners change. It's almost certain that many people will not like what humans become.
My name is Mark Lee. I'm an emeritus professor of computer science at Aberystwyth University in Wales. And my book is called How to Grow a Robot, Developing Human-Friendly Social AI.
My name is Isabel Peterson. I'm a Canada Research Chair in Digital Life, Media and Culture at Ontario Tech University. I'm also the director of the Digital Life Institute there. I'm co-editor with Dr. Andrew Iliadis of Embodied Computing, Wearables, Implantables, Embeddables, and Ingestibles.
My name is Edward Lee. I'm a professor emeritus at the University of California at Berkeley, and I'm the author of The Coevolution, The Entwined Futures of Humans and Machines.